Alright, so today we're looking at the integral from 0 to 10 of x times x minus 1 half times x minus 1 dx. So this one's a simple one. There's just a lot of steps. Just start by multiplying it out. I haven't seen anything that could make this easier. X times x squared, x minus 1 on x times negative 1 is negative x. We're going to negative x. Negative 1 half times x is negative 1 half x. And that's positive 1 half. Then you can multiply the x in, which will give x cubed minus x squared minus 1 half x squared plus 1 half x. Then you can combine terms. That would be negative minus 3 over 2 x squared plus 1 half x. And then you can just go through and do reverse power rule. So that's going to be 1 over 4 x to the 4 minus 1 over 2 x3, because the integral of x squared is 1/3 x cubed. The 3 up here and the third would cancel out. Then plus 1 over 4 x squared. That's going to be evaluated from 0 to 10. All of those, when 0 is plugged in, will be 0, so we only really need to worry about the 10. So we get a 1 followed by 4 zeros, minus a 1 followed by 3 zeros over 2, plus a 1 followed by 2 zeros over 4, and then we just add them together. Or we'll start by just simplifying, so that's going to be 2,500 minus 500 plus 25, which is going to equal 2,025, and that is our answer. Alright, quick addendum. So, in doing research for a different question in this set, I found a different way to do this, which is easier in the sense you don't need to multiply these two out. So what you do is you distribute the x into the x minus 1, so you get x minus 1 half times x squared minus x dx, which you can then do a u sub where u is equal to x squared minus x. Take the derivative, du equals 2x minus 1 dx. Then if you divide both sides by 2, you get 1 half du is equal to x minus 1 half dx. Hey, look, there's that. So you can just plug it in. You can also just do the bounds while we're here. U upper, U lower, U upper. 10 squared is 100, minus 10 is 90. 0 minus 0 is 0. So you can rewrite it as 1 half the integral from 0 to 90 of u du. Then you just go through 1 half times 1 half u squared divided from 0 to 90. The 0 terms aren't going to mean anything, so we're only going to focus on the 90. You can also multiply that back in, so you get 1 over 4 times 90 squared, which gives you 8,100 over 4, which you can rewrite to make it simpler. You can do 81 times 100 over 4, which is 81 times 25, which is equal to 2025, which, like we discussed, is our answer.